So Roomba is in place in the area. He's blocked in. Start him up. See what he does. I'm not going to record all of this. Because it'll probably go on for quite a while. And you don't want to watch 15 minutes worth of hoovering. All you want to see is what it does. So I'll stop the film in a sec and then come back when he's finished. Just excuse the sniffling. It's because I have a cold. This is going to be a very interesting test, and you can see the lightness of the darkness of the carpet now, as you can see the bits where the dust is, big thick layers of dust. Now if this test works, I'll keep running because he's about to hit a massive trail of dirt. Oh, he's finished. That's not what I expected.